Alright, Nintendo the railfanner here, and I'm gonna catch the holiday train leaving here shortly, so I'm gonna just get recordings of it. See if I can zoom out a little bit. Made it before it left. Yeah. I think this train's next stop is to Hartland. And then goes all the way up back to Canada. I just want to let you know that I'm right by Harmonee Avenue, by the overpass, and I am right off the Menomonee River Bridge. So if you could call me back, that would be good. Okay, bye. All right, sweet. We got another one coming.
Here?
Got another one coming.
After this?
Yep.
Oh, you mean on the Amtrak? You want to ride it? Yeah. No, we can't. The Amtrak. You want to walk over here? Come on.
Sam? Yep, I think it's Amtrak number 8. That should be coming through shortly.
Oh my gosh, what do you know?
Yep.
He's in the truck right
Yep,
there.
we got a train coming. Coming from east, going eastbound to downtown Milwaukee. As you can see, we got another eastbound coming.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
Yep, and we have Amtrak number 8 approaching. Supposed to meet hey, I just called you.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, we got an eastbound coming.
Are you taping this right now? Or is the train coming?
I'm taping that train. I'm taping this, and then I'm taping the eastbound. Yeah,
You know,
I'm okay with
it. Get over there. Post your video.
Yeah. Headlights and
You want some coffee?
I'm recording right now, so I'm good. Yep, here he comes. I see his light. Yeah, I think it's in eastbound. It is meeting the holiday trade at 5:03 p.m. Ready to bounding west. Yes. I think I had like a different number on it. Per se. Train down there has its headlights and ditch lights on. I think it's Amtrak, or it might be a freight train. It might be a freight train. Yeah, I think it might be meeting for this train.
Do you know what it was?
What?
That engine.
Yeah, it's a GP20C.
What was it originally?
Well, I haven't been here last year.
Well, I think it started life with GP40.
When did it change? How did it change?
Oh, they rebuilt them.
Oh, okay.
Well, let me come on to that number.
Around 67 years.
GP20C.
What was it originally? Is it a Milwaukee engine?
I believe so. It's probably a new paint.
When the Sioux line took over the Milwaukee Road, it had 16 GP40s that had dash 2 electrical components.
Yeah.
They kept them. I forget what happened to the rest of them.
So do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Go online, they'll give you the full complete pedigree of that engine. I think it was a Milwaukee engine. National Railway rebuilt them.
Yeah. I think I saw a GP20 ECO leading back in January on 280 on Canadian Pacific 281.
Yeah?
Yeah. Leading a Union Pacific engine.
What does it have in it? A Caterpillar engine? You know? I'm sure it's not a 645.
Yeah.
There were actually three GP40s. The original GP40, which no, there were only two. There was the GP40, which was the first mass-produced AC locomotive. I mean AC alternator DC traction motors. Prior to that, they were also the first engine to have EMD at the 645. Prior to that, and straight DC. And then there were the GP40-2s, which were very similar, except they had dash 2 electric. All the intelligence conducted by modules in the back of the cab. Everything was heavy switching, every car.
Yeah.
They had a they had a G on this thing for years, the AC 4400. I managed to get tickets to my daughter and my grandson on this train a few years ago. They rode from Bentonville down. It's hard, you know, it's a big deal, and there's always
Is the gates going down at Harwood?
I had to talk to a woman government affairs in Calgary to do it.
So there's actually passenger seats?
There are four rear cars, are old 1920s vintage, and there are a couple of diners and an observation.
I can't tell with the view.
Well, the band and
and then officials and
right, exactly.
And you can get tickets to it. It's like,
It's just a person. I thought the gates were going down at Harwood. I've honestly never caught a GP60 before.
UP still has a lot of them. You'll see them at Butler.
I don't know if we...
Well, we passed Butler.
I take him railfanning.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
So I take him... I don't know that we've ever gone to Butler. Have we?
No.
Pretty interesting. It's right at the Express at Hampton Avenue.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, the
A lot of
overpass.
times they're looking with a stored up there. There's
Right,
no real security. You can drive around.
Right.
Where do you live?
We live in Germantown.
Germantown, okay.
But we did
but
live
the
in
nearest.
Milwaukee last year. Like, we've lived in Milwaukee for, what, his whole life. We just moved last year. So we always, this is one of his favorite places to come.
Yeah.
Over by the park, you know.
Yeah, that's where I used to record, but for the holiday train, it just passed at. It's here right now, so.
Yeah, we were trying to get over there, but we were a little late.
Yeah.
The other side?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
this actually works out perfect. He wanted the view of the engine, so he got what he wanted.
Now, I live up in Highland apartment. I walked down the hill as soon as it was coming in when I got down the state. I could have gotten a pretty good video if I'd been about a minute earlier.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it doesn't feel
Yeah.
like, 5, but even like
And then-
4:30, that was just a little bit of a time crunch. So that I work in the city, then I had to get to Germantown and
Well, it was due at 4:15.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
We stopped about 4.
I think we got the headlights on
No,
a
it's not going to be any earlier than that because they follow Amtrak number 7.
Yeah.
You can set your watch by it. It goes by the Century at 4 o'clock.
Sometimes Canadian sometimes Canadian Pacific on 199 comes through probably after Amtrak number 7.
Well,
it's easy to know.
I'm not talking the holiday thing either, but like other
Theoretically, they run on a schedule, but they really don't. On the 199, 198, they're pretty regular.
Yeah, 199.
Meet on the C&M between Chicago and Wauwatosa.
Yeah, I think the intermodal train runs. I think it runs through from Bensonville, Illinois, and then runs throughout somewhere in Canada. That's where 199 runs through.
Oh yeah, 199 goes to Toronto. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What you can do? You got a scanner?
Nope.
That's what you got to do.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's.
I've
like
got
a railroad scanner?
Yeah, I might need a one. I might need a scanner.
Trains magazine.
I bought him some, but
You look in the back, they always ask for scanners.
Yeah.
I've got railroad radios up there. Technically, I'm not allowed to use them.
Yeah.
so did you
I met a lot of YouTubers.
Over 51 years.
I met a lot of YouTubers here. Back in February of this year, when I was trying to record a train coming through here, he told me that the Canadian Pacific 281 had an EXP and SFSD 70 back leading him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He worked on the railroad for like 51 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Well, I started as a switchman, and when I retired, I was assistant vice president of operations for a holding company. When I was president of the Native Atlantic. I was an operating officer all my life.
Okay.
After college.
Yeah.
All over the U.S. and Canada. I worked in England for a while. Worked in South America.
Yeah. In February.
You know what you had? Did you ever get down to Chicago?
Well, we go down there, but we have.
I mean, you ever go to Proviso or Bensonville or any of those? You can drive all over Proviso, no real challenge.
I don't go to Bensonville a lot.
You can never go to.
I went to Bensonville as assistant train manager. 3 years old. My first management job.
Okay.
Much different.
Yeah.
We used to hump. We'd average about 2,700 cars a day over the hump. Now I get 500.
Yeah.
Proviso for a while with UP.
Where do you find scanner? Where do you find scanners? Like railroad scanners?
Get yourself a recent issue of the Trains magazine, look at the back. Or go online, Google railroad scanners. Everybody's got one. I don't have one.
Probably.
And I don't have one. I might need one for next year.
I think you can set them so that, and like I said, I've never owned them. The radios I have are only 16 channels. Standard radios are 102 channels. With scanners, you can put them on scan, and they'll pick up everything, which in Chicago gets kind of unnerving because there's so many channels to use. If you know what channel the railroad, there are websites that'll tell you what channels the railroad you're using. Railfan channels will tell you.
Yeah.
For instance, one channel between Chicago and Milwaukee and Chicago, and they change channels between here and Portage, and I think again with Cross.
Oh yeah. I see those.
Scanner to that specific channel, so that's where you get, or you can just run everything.
And I see them on. Well, I hear trades going through. Like when I'm on vacation, I see them like across County Road G in Portage, and then I just see the train.
Yeah, well. Yeah, they change crews there. They run from the railroad started. Little Red's, you're aware of the significance of Little Red's store, aren't you?
No.
The first train to operate in the state of Wisconsin ran from downtown to Wauwatosa, right here, November 20th, 1850.
Wow.
And that was the station for about a year. And then there have been 2 or 3 other stations, but they moved it. That was the first. That was the beginning of what became the Milwaukee Road. My goal is to live to be 102. So 25th. My mother's 96. I'm going to be 102. I'll be here on November 20th, 2050 to celebrate the bicentennial of the Milwaukee Road.
Yeah. We'll be here too.
But that was the
suburb
first station. Now Brookfield, are you familiar with
the Brookfield on Brookfield Road?
That a buddy of my guy I worked for years and knows more than I do. He left once at the end and walked to grow up. And I sent him an article. I said, "This is a very old station." He said, "Yeah." He said, "It's actually the oldest station built by the Milwaukee Road. There's a stone building in Mineral Point, a depot, that was built by a predecessor company that they acquired. That's the oldest Milwaukee station built by the Milwaukee Road. It's in relatively good shape."
Yeah, I looked for YouTubers at railfan, and I looked. What I saw, this one YouTuber who railfans in Alabama. He says he has a scanner light to see what's coming or not. Or
are they?
Everybody has a scanner.
Legal?
I'm sure they're legal. Where are they legal? You can't transmit on them.
Okay, I was just curious because you had said that you don't.
Well, I have radios. I can call this guy and tell him, talk to him or whatever.
Oh, and because you're retired.
I'm not covered by anybody's license.
So.
Although I'm still doing some consulting for a holding company in the Twin Cities. I can make a case for this.
Well, I wouldn't tell.
Sounds. I can't tell what they do. That's definitely not a 645. It's probably a Caterpillar engine. I can't remember what's telling you. It's a 2-cycle or 4-cycle.
Oh, he's on the move. Pacific, the holiday train is leaving Wauwatosa right now. For Heartland. And I think Amtrak should be on the move shortly. I've been dying to catch this train since 2015. Last time I caught it, that was like 3 years ago when I was 12 years old. First time rail fanning.
That was your first time?
Yep, first time rail fanning. Yeah, I think that's the rock and roll car right there. All right.
We went in
think we're gonna.
in the mountains. That was a beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. I don't.
Right.
Sure.
Well, I told my wife it was only 6 o'clock taking dinner.
That's kind of nice that it is early because now it's like you have the whole evening.
All right. Think.
Many years ago, the weeknight, we came through here about. Like, when did it stop?